Hey, oi. Last video I taught you about the gerund in Portuguese. Today I want to show you how and why this tense is used and also the simple present. Let's jump in. Eu estou trabalhando em casa. Remember? Trabalhando. To work, AR verbs, ando. I'm working at home. I'm working at home. Tu, you, estás escrevendo muito. You are writing a lot. You are writing a lot. Tu estás escrevendo muito. Escrever, a verb that ends in er, so the gerund is endo, endo. Ela, she, está cozinhando feijão. She is cooking beans. Ela está cozinhando feijão. Right? AR verb. Okay? So the gerund ando. Cozinhar, cozinhando. Eles, they plural. Sorry, they masculine. Estão assistindo TV. They are watching TV. Eles estão assistindo TV. This one, assistir, ends in IR. So the gerund is INDO. Indo, assistindo. Watching, assistindo. Okay? So, just like in English, you use the gerund to express something that's happening at the moment of speaking, ok? Eu estou explicando a situação, ok? Eu estou trabalhando contigo, ok? She is cooking beans, ela está cozinhando feijão, now, at this moment, or for a certain period of time, ok? You also can use it to talk about two situations happening at the same time. Eu estou explicando a lição, I am explaining the lesson, and my brother is watching TV now at the same time. Okay? That's how we use it. Now, I'm gonna make some sentence with the simple present, okay? And explain it short after. Now, we have the simple present. How to use it, okay? The same sentence I have written in the gerund, now I have in the simple present. What's the difference? Just like in English, again, okay? Eu trabalho lá. I work there, lá. Every day I work there, okay? That's my job. I work in that factory, in that office, okay, in that company, in that school, wherever, okay? Routine, routine, habitual action. Tu escreves muito. You write a lot. Okay? Tu escreves muito. you are used to writing every day. You like writing or you need to write for your job, okay? So it's a routine. Ela cozinha feijão todos os dias. She cooks beans every day. Okay? Ela cozinha feijão todos os dias. All days of the week, and even on the weekend maybe, she cooks beans, right? She likes beans, or it's the only thing they have to eat or whatever. Okay? So it's a routine, it's a habit. Eles assistem TV à noite. They watch TV at night. Okay? Every night they sit in front of TV and watch TV. Okay? Every day. Right? So, when you talk about routine, habits, okay, you can use, better say you must use the simple present. Okay? And you can also use for future, like in English again. I'll put an example here. When you talk about a schedule, okay, for like a bus. The bus leaves at 6 p.m. on Mondays. The bus leaves at 6 p.m. on Mondays. Here is a routine again. Okay, the bus leaves at 6 p.m. on Mondays. O ônibus, the bus, leaves at 6 horas da tarde, 6 p.m. nas segundas, Mondays. O ônibus sai às 6 horas da tarde nas segundas, or 18 horas. Okay, 18 o'clock, formal schedule, right? So, here again is a routine. The bus leaves at 6 p.m. on Mondays. O ônibus sai às 6 da tarde nas segundas. But it also can be used to talk about future. The bus leaves at 6 p.m. today. Okay, it doesn't usually leave at 6 p.m. but today it's gonna leave at 6 p.m. right? O ônibus sai às 6 da tarde hoje. Okay, future, instead of the bus is going to leave, in Portuguese we would say the bus, o ônibus sairá ou vai sair às. We usually use the simple present to express this kind of schedule, okay, a timetable, okay, a program on TV, right? Like, o jogo é amanhã às 10 da noite. The game is tomorrow at 10 p.m., right? So, that's the usage, the why and how we use it, okay? Any doubts, you can just send me a message on the comments, okay? Click on the like button if you like it, okay? Or dislike if you don't, but stay tuned, subscribed, okay? Take care, see you around.